will never, ever send you into outer space again. What's wrong with it?
Maybe it's hungry?
What does it eat?
How would I know?
So it eats anything?
Guess it's just following its instincts?
Those are some weird instincts. Oh, my bowl!
Shoes down, Bosa!
Perfect timing, my raccoon pal. Well done, Junior.
Give me back my bowl!
You'll never get it back.
Hey!
What is all this mess? We can't even leave you alone for more than 5 minutes.